Hello friends, welcome back to the any video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Motorola phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you how to fix screen rotate problem on Motorola phone. Friends, you want to fix screen rotate problem on your Motorola phone, so how to fix and guys how to solve screen rotate problem. Friends, you can see my phone screen rotate automatic when I use any app, and guys my screen rotate automatic. So how can I solve this problem and how to fix this problem on Motorola phone? In this video friends I am going to show you guys. Same problem friends you have, friends, you can fix from your display setting. So guys, open your display setting. After on display setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, click on Motorola phone guys, auto rotate screen setting guys. Friends, right side is blue icon, friends, tap here. So friends, come back on your phone YouTube screen. Friends, you can see now screen will not rotate on automatic friends on Motorola phone guys. So guys, problem will solve. So like that guys, you can solve guys your problem on your Motorola phone display setting. And guys, you can solve with shortcut setting also guys. Direct click on guys search option, search guys auto rotate setting guys, and click here. Friends, you can see auto rotate guys. Friends, you want to use, so you can on. After on guys, you can see your screen will rotate, and guys you have this setting you don't want to use. Direct friends, click on phone setting, tap here, and guys screen will not rotate on your Motorola phone, and you can use your phone guys without rotate screen. So I hope friends you understood how to fix screen rotate problem on Motorola phone. So bye bye guys. Friends, now do you have any doubt friends, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.